I actually didn't think I could become an engineer during my high school. But fortunately, in the very last year of my high school, I was taught by a very enthusiastic physics teacher. And suddenly my marks just went up. And after that, I thought, oh, maybe I could do engineering. And I did that. I chose electronic and electrical engineering. And during my undergraduate course, I realized that I found the sort of semiconductor devices subjects much easier compared to other subjects, well, to me anyway. So when I got the chance to do the PhD, that was the area I focused in. After the PhD, I became a postdoc, and after a few years, I decided to put in applications to become a research fellow, which is the position I've got. I'm externally funded by the Royal Society to be a research fellow. My area of research is to develop a kind of electronic sensors that is to use to detect very, very weak light. And they get used in a lot of different applications. And some of the examples are for very secure data encryption, as well as greenhouse gases monitoring and thermal imaging. So take, for example, greenhouse gases monitoring. We know how important it is to monitor them, but it's actually really difficult to try to get some sort of depth profile from the Earth's surface upwards. And we need very, very sensitive light sensors to help us to do that because the measurements are very much light-based. My day-to-day work might involve speaking to people who grow the special materials for us so that we can do our experiments and prove our hypotheses. But it definitely involved me speaking to the students or the staff who are working on the project to make sure we coordinate the activities, minimize inefficiencies, and share knowledge and tips. The best thing being an engineer is that I get to solve problems. There are people who just accept problems and just live with that, tolerate that. I want to solve things. I want to make things better.